welcome to Not Too Late Natural Hair. I am Lisa, and in this video, you know what I'm gonna do. Listen, I am so busy. My schedule, the hairdresser schedule, I just can't find the time to go down there, and most of all to spend 4 or 5 hours. That's my problem right there. But not only that, I have a lot to do, and because I need blonde in my hair and to get it cut, this is bothering me right here. This is bothering me. So what am I gonna do? Cut it myself. They can trim it up and do whatever, but this is bothering me. And I don't know if I told you guys that this little spot in the back, this is one little area. It's like driving me crazy because there's, you know. So I'm just going to cut this off and then deal. Let me put this up a little bit. I'm just gonna cut this off and deal with everything else afterwards. Yeah, because it's like, I don't know what I look like. So what I would recommend is getting a professional hair trim by a professional hairdresser. Don't attempt this unless you know what you're doing. And at this point, I just wanted to get that out of the way to make it like even tone, but it's not even. And I'm gonna wash it, and so that way I can see it a little bit better what I'm doing here. So what have I done so far? This much hair, and it's okay, guys. It's okay. It's perfectly okay. So still gonna trim up some, but I just wanted to get that tallness. I don't know. And if you know a hairdresser, one thing they like to do is cut and cut and cut and cut. So I'm just cutting off what I can see at the top first. And I'm actually gonna go in and wash it so I can see the actual length, because right now it's like, ugh. So my hair has been growing wildly all over the place. The back is growing faster than the front, which is reversed from when I was younger. The sides, I don't know what's going on. The front has a little bit of, what you wanna call it? Like, it's taking its own sweet time. Just this patch right here. And it could be because I'm getting older. So that's interesting. And I had to shape this up too. All right, so let me just go and wash it. See how it's different when it's wet. So actually I don't know what I want to do with it, to be quite honest, but it has to be trimmed up. But I just wanted to get that out the way. Where's my other comb? So let me see what I can actually cut here. Lots of new growth. I just want to take a section so I can see. I don't want to cut it where I'm missing the blonde, but let's see where it goes. No rhyme or reason, just in the end. did a quick shampoo again and conditioner, and I just used the Shimmering Lights purple shampoo. Now I'm just going to do the detangling leave-in conditioner from Design Essential Almond and Avocado line. There's something in my eye. Okay, this is Paul Mitchell, the conditioner leave-in. Some Mousse by Paul Mitchell. Last but not least is a Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, coconut and hibiscus. I just want to finish off this little tube here. It all smells so good together. I can feel like my hair is like dry. So I'm gonna work it in. remember, it's not too late to remember that you can do some things on your own. So that being said, I'm gonna let it air dry. I'm gonna take a shower, clean up, and I'm gonna run some errands. Well, that's it for this episode. Thank you for joining me on Not Too Late Natural Hair. I am Lisa. See you next time. Peace, love, bye, my beauties.